Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want access to premium movies and exclusive series, MGM Plus is available as an add-on channel inside Prime Video, meaning you can subscribe directly from the same application without any complications. Okay, so first thing in this guide, you will learn, or I will show you how to subscribe to MGM Plus on Prime Video in 2026, simple and fast. So you have to know that MGM Plus is a paid add-on channel, usually offers a 7-day free trial. Monthly price is around $7 or $8 a month. Okay, so it varies by region. So open Prime Video like launch Prime Video app or website, log into your account. You are now ready to subscribe, so go to channel section, like scroll to channels and subscriptions or search for MGM Plus. You will find the MGM Plus channel page. Okay, so open MGM page, so tap on MGM Plus. Okay, you will see details, price and content. Okay, so start subscription, like tap starts free trial or tap subscribe. Confirm your choice, confirm payments, like subscription is linked to your Amazon account. Billing starts after trial ends. Everything is handled inside Prime Video. Starts watching, like browse MGM Plus content, tap play, full access unlocked instantly, and manage or cancel anytime. You can, for example, go to accounts and tap subscriptions and select MGM Plus, cancel before renewal if needed. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.